There's nothing like seeing your garden thrive until pests show up and undo your hard work. But what if your plants could defend themselves? No chemicals needed. Today, I'll show you 15 companion plants that naturally repel pests and boost growth. These living shields create a balanced ecosystem, protecting your vegetables day and night. By choosing the right companions, you're building a resilient, self-sustaining sanctuary. This method has worked for centuries because it works. Let's dig in and meet your garden's natural defenders. Meet basil, the ultimate tomato companion. Its strong scent confuses pests like aphids and tomato hornworms, creating a fragrant barrier. Many gardeners swear basil even improves tomato flavor. Plant basil between or around your tomatoes for healthier plants and fewer pests. You're not just growing a kitchen herb, you're recruiting a bodyguard. Smart, symbiotic gardening starts with this aromatic leaf. Marigolds are more than just pretty faces. Their pungent scent repels aphids, whiteflies, and beetles, while their roots release chemicals that kill root knot nematodes. Plant marigolds throughout your vegetable patch for above and below ground protection. They add color and act as a living security system. Integrate them with tomatoes, beans, and brassicas for best results. Marigolds are a cornerstone of any pest-free, organic garden. Chives are easy to grow and pack a punch against aphids. Their oniony scent deters aphids, Japanese beetles, and carrot rust fly. Interplant chives with carrots and roses for natural protection. Chive tea can even help fight fungal diseases. A few clumps of chives go a long way in boosting your garden's resilience. Garlic is your garden's all-purpose pest repellent. Its sulfur compounds repel aphids, spider mites, cabbage worms, and more. Plant garlic among vegetables and fruit trees, or use a garlic spray for targeted defense. It's low maintenance and highly effective. Sometimes, nature's simplest solutions are the strongest. Lavender's calming scent is a nightmare for pests. It repels moths, fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes, especially near brassicas and seeding areas. Choose aromatic varieties like Grosso for maximum effect. Lavender attracts pollinators while keeping pests at bay. Plant it along paths or patios for beauty and protection, functional beauty at its finest. Rosemary's piney aroma blocks caterpillars, especially cabbage moth and white butterfly larvae. Interplant with kale, cabbage, and broccoli to mask their scent. Rosemary also deters carrot rust fly and slugs. It's hardy, drought-tolerant, and needs little care. Plant rosemary as a permanent aromatic guard for your crops. Sage's earthy aroma is a powerful whitefly deterrent. It protects brassicas and carrots by confusing pests like carrot rust fly. Let sage grow into a bush for maximum effect. It's a low-maintenance perennial that rewards you year after year. Sage is a wise guardian for your vegetable plot. Nasturtiums are cheerful trap crops, luring aphids and squash bugs away from your veggies. Plant them around squash or beans to divert pests. Remove infested leaves to control outbreaks. Their peppery scent also repels whiteflies and cucumber beetles. Beautiful, edible, and strategic. Nasturtiums take the hit so your crops don't have to. Mint's refreshing scent repels ants and flea beetles, but it's invasive. Grow it in containers. Place pots near vulnerable crops to disrupt ant trails and deter beetles. Use cut mint as mulch for extra protection. Keep it contained for easy management. Mint offers kitchen flavor and pest control in one. A little management unlocks its full power. Catnip isn't just for cats, it's a powerhouse pest repellent. Nipetolactone in catnip repels mosquitoes, aphids, squash bugs, and beetles. Plant it as a border around your veggie patch, especially near squash and potatoes. Contain catnip to prevent spreading. Your vegetables and your cat will thank you. Borage is a classic companion for tomatoes and cucumbers. It repels tomato hornworm and cabbage worm, and its blue flowers attract pollinators. Plant borage near squash, cucumbers, and strawberries for better pollination and harvests. Borage also improves soil by bringing up minerals. It's a team player, protecting, pollinating, and nourishing your garden. Add borage for a healthier, more vibrant ecosystem. Thyme's earthy scent deters cabbage worms and confuses pests. Use it as a border or ground cover among brassicas. It's drought-tolerant, low maintenance, and suppresses weeds. Choose upright or creeping varieties for extra fragrance. Thyme is a simple, fragrant way to protect your cabbage patch. Dill repels spider mites and aphids, but its real power is attracting beneficial insects. Ladybugs, lacewings, and hoverflies flock to its flowers and devour pests. Dill also acts as a trap crop for tomato hornworms. Spot and remove them easily. Plant dill with corn, cucumbers, and tomatoes for a healthier garden. It's a master of garden diplomacy, repelling, attracting, and sacrificing for your crops. Dill is a must-have for natural pest control. Oregano's pungent oils repel cabbage moths, cucumber beetles, and crawling insects. Use it as a ground cover or edging for a fragrant, pest-proof barrier. Oregano is easy to grow, suppresses weeds, and attracts pollinators. It's a multitasker, pest repellent, pollinator magnet, and kitchen staple. Add oregano for a low-maintenance, pest-resistant garden. It's a true workhorse in any organic design. Chrysanthemums are beautiful and powerful natural insecticides. They produce pyrethrins, which repel ants, roaches, ticks, spider mites, and beetles. Plant them around your garden's perimeter for a protective shield. Chrysanthemums offer color and constant pest defense. Nature's own insecticide, delivered in a flower. That's 15 plants, each a natural defender for your garden. Thoughtful companion planting transforms your space into a self-defending ecosystem. No harsh chemicals, just smart, natural solutions. Subscribe for more natural gardening secrets from Nature's Fix. With these allies, you'll enjoy less work, fewer pests, and a thriving, vibrant garden. This is the heart of organic gardening. Plants working together for a healthier world. Now, go build your own garden army.